As a matter of fact, like we are the crypto diehards. Like not enough people are investing in the stock or crypto market for us to really make any type of dents. It's always the institutions that make the dent. Like when you look at all the big Fortune 500 companies, all the big NASDAQ companies, BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street own a large, significant chunk of them. So, why are they valued that much? Or why are they valued at the prices that these Fortune 500 companies are valued at? Because they have the BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street money in them, because they have the institutional money in them. So, we don't have to do a dang on thing, but wait for the institutions to put their money in it. And I just showed you guys. I guess it's not up anymore. But again, we saw Hedera and all the different institutions that are connected to these guys, owned and governed by. Gonna show it again for people who might have just came in, right? Google, T-Mobile, Boeing, Dell, Chainlink, Aberdeen, Google, Hitachi, and others, right? And that's not to mention all the people that are partnered with Hedera: Circle, Intel, LCX, NVIDIA, right? It's not to even mention all of the people that are partnered with Hedera. So there's just so much, bro. There's so much to love and like there. Possibly, what do you need help with? She X. Intel Corporation got it. No taxes on American cryptos. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Check out my show that we did here. The switch is flipped. The switch is flipped will tell you everything you need to know right here. Well, not, not everything you need to know, but most of the things you need to know. American Crypto Supercycle Part 2, the switch is flipped. Check that out. Okay. There's talks of Trump giving 0 capital gains tax for American cryptos. Okay. Check that show out. And that will tell you everything you need to know right there. Everything you need to know right there. Check that out. What's up, Jake? Just talking about you, brother. Trump is taking this to the moon. Bitcoin is life. Jake not backing down out here. Not backing down out here. Okay. When does Ginzer pack his bags? The 19th, I believe. It's either the 19th or the 20th. Either one. I think he said, because he could have resigned immediately, but he chose either the 19th or the 20th. Let's see if it was Williams. You're a good person. I stopped trying to tell people 2 years ago. They seen the one along the highway. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And people come around, or they won't, right? They won't. Just be like, okay, well, when I came to you 2 years ago, when you roll up in that Porsche, Bocephus Williams, when you roll up in the Porsche, like, hey, bro, I came to you 2 years ago. You ain't want to listen. You didn't want to listen. You was listening to the people that were talking about the real estate and stocks and all of that. I tried to tell you. No, I can't give you a loan, bro. I tried to tell you then, but you wasn't listening. I'm sorry. Can't help you, bro. Can't do it. Can't do it, bro. Solana and memes. Nah. Like, well, there are always going to be memes, but I find that with memes, like the people that are going to benefit the most are the developers. You can get really crazy into like searching memes and trying to search wallets that are getting in first on memes, and some people know how to do that. It's not something I focus on because I'm focused on long-term investments. When you get into some of these memes, like like they gotten to the point now where they'll do like false meme coins. Like they'll put out like 6 or 7 or 10 of the same meme coin just to throw people off. Like they gotten to that point with it now. And they got to the point where like they'll do like the contract will be so you can't get your money out of certain meme coins if you don't know if you got into the wrong one. So it's a cruel world out here with those meme coins, bro. Like that's why it's just like, okay, well, if that's the way you want to go with it, you can go ahead and go that way. But that's not, for me personally, that's not where I'm at. I'm at with it. Yeah, I rather put my money in something like this, like a H bar, which I can see where the message is, I can see where they're headed, and I rather play the long game that way. But yeah, there are people that make money with memes, and yeah, that's not my focus. Which will be the best place to relocate when Trump grabs Canada, Greenland, and Panama? Well, I mean, check out my guy, IP. I'll probably be doing a stream with him. I know people think of, uh, yeah, check out my guy, International Passport. I like his channel a lot. Uh, people talk about these guys, but sometimes it's about like where you can go to make your dollar stretch. It's not always about the ladies. Sometimes it's about the ladies, but sometimes it's about, okay, where you can you go to make your dollar stretch and still have the amenities of an American place or a British place, right? And I like International Passport. You can check out his channel. He's a good brother. But yeah, I used to be in theater in high school and elementary school. Loved it. A crypto thespian. Had to be. Why doesn't Mance Harmon get any love? I know. Um, Lehman Barrett mentioned Mance Harmon on that interview that I shared earlier with you guys. I don't know why he doesn't get any love, and I think the Harmon family is also a really big, famous family, rich family. But yeah, he doesn't get that much love. I guess because Lehman's out there, right? I guess he might just want to the Harmon guy. He might just want to be in the background. He might not want to be out there like Lehman is. Um, Correct. The ISO 20022 MT messaging coexistence period ends in November 2025, and the mandate for ISO 20022 is also November 2025. So, very big news there. This means Swift has to be on ISO 20022, period, with the T, period. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. Um, and banks have to use it, period. Uh, uh, sorry, guys. I'm rolling over here. So, yeah, guys. ISO TC 307 Quant Network Standard will orchestrate ISO 20022 messaging through the regulated liability network RLN, and ones like Ripple XRP will settle with the RSN, regulated settlement network. Great alpha that Max is dropping on us here. And definitely, he has specific shows going into detail on this, which you can check out on his channel, which I think, I don't know, did we share? If we didn't, we will right now. And you guys getting it twice is not a problem. So definitely come over here, check out Maximus Crypto. continue on. ISOs will soar. 80s commercial. Do you need help? Well, then you need ITT Tech. Oh my God, I do remember that commercial back in the day. Phantom Beat Casper needs to stay at 0.015 for 2 more weeks. Loading up. RA, what's up? That'll be me. And shout out to Mainly Music. I don't know if he's through here, but he's can come through and dropped a lot of H-bar news on our show. Shout out to Mainly Music, frequent watcher. Esco 215. I'm going to have to disagree, Root. I think we get more downgrades. I could be wrong, but I get it. But dig the fear and greed index. There's very few instances where I've seen that index reach. Okay, I'll check out the fear and greed index, Esco. Yeah, I know Esco does his knows his stuff. So I wouldn't trust a random coming in here saying that, but Esco I know is a frequent watcher. I'll take a look at it. Yeah, I think I know. Again, we looked at the what is it? The so check out the where is it here? The Crypto Predictions 2025 episode. So check this episode out, guys. We did some predictions from Van Eck, Galaxy, and one other place I can't remember. But yeah, I'll check out the Fear and Greed Index. I don't usually look at that one, so it'll be nice to put that in the repertoire. Trading volume for 24 hours is crazy. 478 plus mil. Extreme greed and didn't fall to fear levels before rebounding. Trump will be a multi-billionaire by the time he leaves office. 20th, same day Trump gets in office. Okay, thank you, RA. This is when Gensler is resigning. Gensler stated on his X earlier, tomorrow I'll be on CNBC at 8 a.m. ET and on Yahoo Finance at 3 p.m. Okay, ooh, Gensler about to talk. So be sure to tune in, guys, tomorrow on CNBC at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and then on Yahoo Finance at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Tune in. Gangster. Leave Canada alone. Yes, leave Canada alone. And the next the next of Drake's next album and tour bus. Oh, I like Drake. Yeah, he's a Toronto guy. I love me some Drake, bro. I swear Drake won that he won that battle, guys. He beat Kendrick Lamar for real. He won, bro. Drake is much better rapper than Kendrick to me. Little random finish of the show there, but yeah. Sal M up 70% today on meme coin, different than larger coin. Okay. I'm happy for you, Sal M, on that meme coin. I'm happy for you there. America, they not like us. Oh, here we go.